India UK Free Trade Agreement, Indian seafood get duty free entry, James Jewelry gain benefit from this trade deal. India UK bid to double bilateral trade worth $56 billion by 2030. James Jewelry trade figures: India export to UK $941 million. Growth outlook: export to double in 2 to 3 years. Socio-economic impact: electronic software export market. UK is India's fourth largest. Trade figure: India export 35 billion globally, 2 billion to UK. Zero duty access cover TV, monitors, telecom equipment, inverter. Growth projection: export to double to $4 billion by 2030. Key state: electronic and in software Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh. Software growth: ITs, iron and steel products. Zero tariff advantage eliminate to up to 10%. UK market $32 billion 2024 projected to reach. Export potential: India's share $887 million could be. Iron steel products zero tariff advantage eliminate to up to 10% duty. UK market $32 billion project to reach $42 billion by 2000. Iron, steel and products. Massive opportunity for farmer, women, youth. This is the India-UK trade deal is now completed. Boost for textile, footwear, marine sectors and agriculture sectors. Medical device trade figures: India growth projection UK market to reach $69 billion by. Tariff benefit: remove 6% duty, boosting competitiveness. Indian seafood get duty free entry. Regularity easy. Medical device trade figure: India export $2 billion globally. Growth projection: UK market to reach $69 billion by. Tariff benefit: remove 6% duty, boosting competitiveness. Regulatory easy. CDSCMO. Pharmaceuticals zero duty access cover 56. Trade gap: India export $23 billion globally, UK import $30 billion. Pharmaceutical boost to generic, enhance competitiveness in UK. Medical device zero duty as surgical instrument, ECG, X-ray instrument. Strategic edge: post Brexit pharmaceutical zero duty access cover 56 tariff line. Trade gap: India export to sports goods and toys. Growth projection: 50% growth targeting. Key products: soccer balls, cricket gear, rugby balls, non-electronic. FTA advantage: historical India-UK trade. Pact exchange in presence of deal for 99% duty-free access for Indian export to UK. This is the historical moment in trade between India and UK, and this is the good for the Indian traders who export to and an Indian local who live in the United Kingdom and consume Indian good, want to Indian good, and Indian businessman and Indian consumer both are benefited in UK.